So here to break down the new superfoods for what we hope is a super year is dietitian, founder of Nutritious Life, and friend of our show for a long time. This is Carrie Glassman. Carrie, take it away.
Moringa comes from a plant, and you can actually eat the entire plant. Plants south of the equator, it's a plant. They have these big leaves. You can eat the pods, you can eat the leaves, but I will say you're probably not going to find the leaves in your local grocery store, but you will find moringa, even if it's not in your local grocery store, in the health food store. So moringa powder is the leaves crushed up, and it really is a super green.
And chard and all your dark leafy greens.
So this is going to have more iron and more protein than spinach. So there, right away, you know, jam-packed with nutrition. And then other compounds found in it also are going to help protect your liver, your kidneys, your heart. It's really just jam-packed with nutrition. And so the way I like to use this is you can put this in a smoothie, you can put it in guacamole. Just make your guacamole a little bit healthier. But I take a teaspoon, and then I just add hot water. And that's it.
You drink it more like a tea.
Actually, sometimes matcha can taste a little bitter to people, and this doesn't taste that way at all. It's a little more mild.
It's more mellow.
Yeah, it's more mellow. I love it.